The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, stability control, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.